Welcome back, second graders. Here we are again at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. We're going to be going over our calendar. We're going to be doing our class collection, and I have one more sheet to do with graphs. But I have some exciting news, you guys. We have a special guest coming in. Ta-da! We have a special guest today. It's so exciting. We've never had a special guest before. Mrs. Brown is here to say a special little announcement to you guys.
Hi, everybody. I'm so excited that it's the 100th day of school and that you're celebrating being at school in 100 days. I know we know there's some really good things about being at home doing school. We also know there's some really hard things about being at home doing school. And I just want you to know we are so very, very, very proud of you and all your hard work. And I think it's great that you get to do Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. Yay! All right, you guys, keep up the hard work. We're on the other side of the school year.
Yes.
Yahoo! I'm proud of you. Bye. Thank you, Mrs. Judd.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Okay, we are in January. Look, you guys, I found a really cool new January. But wasn't that cool? We got a special guest to come and say hello to you guys. Okay, do you guys think we're going to have a graph or more equations? Well, let's see. We had a graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. I bet you there's a graph behind there. Let's see. I was right. But we are on Wednesday. Up an equation. Okay, let's write our date. We are January 27th. 2021, and we write it 1/27/21 numerically, and our abbreviation is JAN. Okay, you guys, I get to pull 27 cubes today. Oh my gosh, I think it's going to take my whole board. Let's see how many we get of red. We only have 2 more days. Do you guys think we're ever going to get exactly half? We're on an odd day. I doubt it. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did I feel one drop? Yep, I did. Ooh, 16. That was another fuzz. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Woohoo! Let's see. It looks pretty close, you guys, but because it's an odd day, it is not going to be even. Or, yes, exactly half. Okay, let's make sure we can see them. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 over 27. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 over 27. Okay, so it's more than half red. Finally, we get to add something in another column. Okay, I think we've taken care of all of those. The last thing that we get to do today is a paper, and this one is on the last graph. And I'm going to bring the card so we know that we're answering all the questions. Alrighty. Oop, there's my pencil. Okay, so it says, Here is a picture of the 6th graph of the calendar markers this month. That was the same thing. Someone made this graph after asking, I got to come a little closer, some second grades a survey question. What question did they probably ask? What would you guys think? Favorite fruit. What is your favorite fruit? Okay. What kind of graph is this? Is it a picture graph or a bar graph? Good. It's a bar graph because there's not any pictures in our graph. It's just bar. So we're going to say bar. Use the numbers and equations to answer the questions from above. How many students did each section of the graph show? So they don't really give us a key, but if we come up here, we can see 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12. So each section equals 4 students. Okay, how many students chose bananas? So that one would be this one, because I can see here that 16 plus 2 is 18. So how many students chose bananas? And it says 12. And so our equation was 18 plus what equals 30. So we'll say 12. Okay, how many students chose apple? And so 30 total. We know that 12 picked bananas, so it has to be 18. So our equation was 30 minus 12 equals 18. Okay, how many students took part in this survey? Write an equation to know. So we know that 12 picked bananas, 18 picked fruit, and so let's see, we're going to write 12 plus 18 equals 30. That's 30 students participated. Okay, how many more students chose apple than banana? Write an equation. So 18 students chose apple, 12 students chose banana, so 6 more students. And I can double check because there's one whole section here that equaled 4 and a half a section. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, what is a good title for this graph? I think we're going to take it from the question, favorite fruit. Well, we can say favorite fruits. Okay, you guys, that was it. Today, our questions are, what was our graph about? And we decided favorite fruit, and you can look at the graph, it's fruit. And how many sections did each one, how many students did each section represent? And it's 4. So favorite fruit and 4. And you guys, we made it 1,000 display also. So I can't wait to see all of your 1,000 displays tomorrow. You're turning them in, You're turning them in on the 28th, which is tomorrow. And so we'll have this in the window of room 12 so you guys can see it again. But we want to see all of yours. Okay, you guys, I will see you back here on Friday. Bye.